What's up YouTube? Big Lou here with a quick video to show you how to replace the headlight connectors on your headlights for your old school, for your G body. I'm working on my 87 Monte Carlo SS right now, so I'm gonna jump right to it and let you guys check it out. Doing these are the two connectors. This is the low beam. This is going to be the high beam here. Now this isn't an extension that I got from Amazon. That's why it has this piece here. I'm just cut it off here. Scrap that. We're going to use this. Place that there. We're going to do black with black, blue with green. Still has a pin from the high beam over there. Hopefully you can see that. So you can see these connectors all beat up. Look at that. You gotta go put your shoes on. This is the high beam that I'm doing here now. I'm only going to show you just this one. The process is exactly the same for all other connectors. You got your new connector, cut off the old one, strip off the wires, crimp on the butt connectors, slip in the heat shrink tubing. You put the other wire on the other end of the butt connector, and then you just tighten everything up. ready to go. So this was just me showing you how to just replace the connectors. In my next video, when I'm wiring up the relay, I'll go over each one of these individual wires, the green, the tan, the black, the blue, the brown, and I'll let you know where each one of these goes to on your G body on your 87, so you can know that as well.